Are you tired of standard sieve shakers? Are they too big, too noisy, and just not handling agglomerated material like you'd want? Well, a sonic sifter may be what you're looking for. Stick around. Hey there, what's up? My name's Andrew Kotlar, and while the test sieve itself has remained basically unchanged for decades, the devices used to facilitate particle movement throughout the stack of sieves has, like the sonic sifter. But what exactly is a sonic sifter? Well, W.S. Tyler has been a pioneer of innovation in the particle analysis industry for 150 years. And when it comes to the various testing equipment, we've seen it all. Over the years, we've grown to feel accountable to be as transparent as possible so you can navigate the particle analysis market and build out a lab setting that is right for you. So, in this video, we'll establish what a sonic sifter is, how sonic sifters work, what test sieves sonic sifters are compatible with, the maintenance associated with sonic sifters, and how much sonic sifters cost. Sonic sifters are particle size analysis devices used to generate reliable particle distribution curves when testing fine particles. They can do this by leveraging sonic waves to generate an air vacuum as well as a latex bladder to tap the bottom of the test sieve stack. Also, sonic sifters have removed the brute force associated with traditional sieve shakers, making a quieter particle analysis experience that is less harsh on your sieves. And because the tapping motion comes from below, the particles are projected upwards and hit the bottom of the highest sieve, which makes the sonic sifter really useful when you have particles that become agglomerated. Sonic sifters generate an air column that oscillates and creates a specific number of agitating sonic waves per minute. A bladder attached to the bottom of the test sieve stack pulsates simultaneously, basically mimicking the tapping motion of the traditional mechanical sieve shakers, like the W.S. Tyler Rotap RX29. And this tapping motion can be toggled on or off to best accommodate the material you're testing. Now, most devices allow you to adjust the sonic wave amplitude. This will enable you to feel confident in your results, no matter what the density or texture of your material is. Most sonic sifters are designed to use 3-inch acrylic sieves. These sieves are typically transparent, which allows you to view how your material passes through the sieves in the stack. But having said that, there are devices on the market that allow you to use more traditional, basically 8-inch test sieves. Sonic sifters require minimal moving parts to test material accurately, like the electromagnetic sieve shakers. And because of this, little to no maintenance is required. But if you want to preserve your investment and ensure you continue to have accurate results consistently, it's recommended that you keep your devices free of debris, whether it's dust or residual sample material. And you'll want to use a non-abrasive damp towel. So naturally, the price you can expect to pay for a sonic sifter depends on the model and manufacturer. But to give you an idea of what you can expect, here's the 2 sonic sifter models W.S. Tyler currently offers. Priced at $8,250 and equipped with a user-friendly touch interface, the VeriSifter Sonic Separator provides a state-of-the-art sonic sifter experience and allows particle analysis labs to accurately test fine particles ranging from 3 micron to 5.6 millimeter. Priced at $7,456, the L3P Sonic Sifter Separator is designed to recreate the performance of a wet sieve analysis while eliminating the need for water or specialized equipment. It's proven to help reduce testing times by up to 90% and is also meant to test dry material ranging from 3 micron to 5.6 millimeter. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn even more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click that second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things W.S. Tyler. Once again, my name's Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.